Alright, today we got some, I'd say it's a good 15 to 20 mile an hour gust keeps popping up. It's not a steady wind, but George here is going to fly the Titan tricopter using GoPro with FPV camera. I'm going to be flying the Calypso with FPV. Now these goggles I got on now, these are some Cyclops gear. They're just sunglasses. I'm going to set these on top of my FPV. So, just kind of hilarious thing to do, I think. I don't know. So, now we got a total of 4 cameras filming this. We're going to launch now. The wind's quit blowing, finally. Ready?
Hold on, I knocked my camera.
Okay, here comes the wind. We gotta wait a minute for the wind to die. It kind of comes and goes, folks, so. Dang, that's a good roost, man. Well, I'm really worried about flying FPV. My plane's almost flying itself. So much wind. Everything alright? Nope. That wasn't you? Alright, you ready? It's windy. I'm back behind us. I'm circling around coming back though.
You know, you almost see some people out there with their dogs.
I'm heading towards the baseball park. It's windy as hell. Yeah, so am I. I'm going to go up higher. Yeah, I'm at the park. I'm trying to get some altitude. Yeah, this is tough, dude. Okay, now I'm heading towards the swing set. It's taking forever because of the wind. I'm basically heading into the wind. Actually, I haven't even made it to the swing set. I'm just like hovering there. Yeah, I'm way above them. Alright, now I'm going to turn and come up Tuxedo up the road. A lot of buffeting. Whoa! I'm right over us, making a right turn, a left turn. I'm over the old ballpark, heading back behind the tree. Out towards Circle, guys.
I'm trying to cut you off.
Alright, now I'm going to the ballpark. I'm twice the height of the tree. Yeah, I'm heading towards the ballpark. I'm on the ballpark this side of it. I'm heading toward the pole you almost hit.
Alright, well, I'm out that way, but I'm trying to stay away from the pole because they keep trying to pull me into it.
I know. I'm on the outside of the poles, more towards us.
Now where are you at?
Same place.
Oh, there you are.
Yeah.
A little in front of me.
Wind's blowing me all over the place, huh?
Yeah, me too, brother. Me too. I'm trying to get my distance from you because the wind keeps blowing you up.
Alright, I'm turning about 9 o'clock. Now I'm heading towards the swing set. Yeah, I got a little bit just in too. Alright, now I'm going to turn left, and I'm going to come up Tuxedo, okay? Okay, I'm coming up the road, Tuxedo. Alright, I'm right over us, making that left turn, going to the dead tree. I'm over the old ballpark. Alright, now I'm behind the tree and I'm heading towards the ballpark.
I'm behind the tree and I'm not seeing you.
I'm kind of out by the Circle, guys.
Okay, I'm out that way too.
Alright, now I'm going to the ballpark. I don't see you. I'm heading towards the ballpark.
Oh, dude, you almost ran right into me. Did you see me?
No. I can tell I'm close because I got a little interference.
Yeah, you're flying above me now. You're going down. My battery's down to 39%.
Fuck, I didn't hit record. I'm going to come in and hit record.
I was like, hope you don't hit me. I turned around, dude. You're flying right at me.
Alright, I'm coming right at us. I'm going to land. Whoa! I almost hit myself! Whoa! I don't have my camera. play when it's not recording. There, now I'm recording. Alright. Well, at least we know we can fly on a windy day, huh? So who knows what we're going to be against when we're flying against some other guys.
Yeah, I recorded. Dude, I go, I hope you don't fly into me. I turned around, dude, you were coming right at me. I was like, oh! That was pretty cool. Alright. I've got like 25% battery. I'm probably not going to be able to get very far.
You mean on this?
Yeah, but...
You got another battery? You can swap. I can wait while you swap. Because you know my bad. I got another good long flight.
Let's see where it's at. It's at 21%.
Yeah, let's go and swap batteries. Fuck it. You're down, you know what I mean? Yeah, by being out there more, we get better radio range, you know what I mean?
When me and you get close, though, I don't know why our videos...
I'm thinking...
I'm not even flying fast.
I'm thinking we need to get more channels apart from each other. I need to go all the way down, you need to go all the way up. You know what I mean?
But I'm not flying... I'm flying the boss cam.
I know, but still, the further away we get from each other, I think the less interference we're going to get. Make sense? Hey, look. Tell me these are reading glasses, because mine broke, and I really need some.
Those are my fucking regular.
Oh, these are yours?
Yeah.
Oh, I was going to say. I was some reading glasses.
I put them on the hood of your truck. I
put them in your case. Yeah, I think I'm just going to disassemble the MX and put that other one together.
Dude, it's so hard to fly. It's not hard to fly, it's just hard to stay straight. Like,
yeah, but I need to practice. Because some planes are meant to fly and win like this, you know?
I don't know how much first person, but...
Yeah, too, but we'll get a drink. I got some water if you want to drink. Took some of my prescription medication, and I thought I was going to have to walk around the mall of Louisiana. Luckily, Sarah said, I'll take her. Woo! So, now I'm going to be up all night. Look at my quad. I watched it. It looks good, doesn't it? Looks better than a PS4!
I haven't even touched my Xbox.
Dude, I haven't played. My PS4's been in the engine room. But you know what? Dude, my wrists are getting better. Have you noticed? Are your wrists getting better?
Yeah, well, I mean, I figured out my wrist problem, but
It's jacking off, huh?
I'm not as angry anymore, man. The Call of Duty game pisses you off when you can't get any shots in. It's not right.
No, my wrists are getting better. They really are. I think I can almost walk on my hands again.
It's not getting all crazy.
Hey man, gymnastics, I was good. I could just do flip after flip after flip.
Well, I don't want this to be the fucking return home on the next trip.
Yeah, it's probably not a good idea. I got my ailerons set as high as they go on this Mustang now. I think I should be able to rip and roar on this fucking Mustang. Dude, I got enough parts for Mustangs, you can throw one together if you want. You can call it your crazy plane. You know, because you ain't worried about crashing it, you know what I mean?
I didn't bring out my fucking... No, the F-27. Friggin...
Your new mini drone?
No, the wing that I have. The tiger wing?
Yeah. Yeah, if you have FPV there, that'd be a good one.
Dude, here comes the train.
Slow, too. Alright. Here we go again. You ready? I'm circling around back behind the tree. Alright, now I'm behind the tree heading towards the ballpark. Yeah, I'm running along the side of the ballpark. You see me? Alright, I'm at the south end of the park, fixing to turn and head towards the swing. Alright, I'm going to the swing. No, I'm not. Alright, now I'm heading back towards us. Right over us. I'm going over the back, the old ballpark, turning, going back to Circle Guys. Oh, there's a train. I got the train on video. Dude, it's a fast one. I'm back by Circle Guys, and I'm going to the ballpark. I'm pretty high up. Yeah, I'm way up there, George. Are you high?
I got high. I got away from it.
That's what I did too. Alright, now I'm going to the swings, south end of the park. I'm over the swings. Alright, now I'm turning left, and I'm going up Tuxedo. Okay, I'm over the runway. Old ballpark. Alright, I'm going to the new ballpark. I'm coming down a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, I'm at the baseball field.